You have given a list of those that we are inviting. We are going to we're going to forgive you for the lapses, but we're going to have another meeting here, and those who have been invited, whether they be a wall, I would like to find out if the Philippine National Police has done something for those people who are now in a wall, because the Philippine National Police should do something about it. Oh, naawol sila kahit retired sila. Anong ginawa ng Philippine National Police? Wala. Dapat yan may ginawa sila. All right? Yung mga retired, why can you not connect with them? Ha? Asan sila? Retired man sila. Dapat sa Pilipinas yan. Yung mga awol, nasaan na sila ngayon? We'd like to find out, because this is a very important meeting. We are calling for justice on people who allegedly were victims of injustice. Yun ang ating nais makita rito. At pangalawa, nais-din natin na ang Philippine National Police ay hindi pagpintangan that they were guilty of injustice on this.
We just received a while ago, sir, the list of the 27, sir. That's why we are just...
You just received a while ago?
Yes, sir.
So you have... will you please identify yourself first and your position?
Police Major Hyacinth Santos, sir, the legal officer of CPRM po, sir.
Okay, go ahead. So, thank you, Chairman. So you have just received today?
Yes, sir. And we are...
Yes or no na muna?
Yes, sir.
So you have just received today the invitation for all those 28 20 officers?
The list of names, yes, sir. For us to check the status of the personnel, sir.
Mr. Chair, may I be clarified on the query of Congressman Paduano and the answer of the resource speaker? That invitation that was sent by the CONSEC was just received today?
As to the invitation, sir, I have...
Invitation of the what?
To attend, sir, ang na-receive lang po namin, sir, is the list of the 27, sir, for us to check po yung status, sir.
When did you receive it? Mr. Chair, maybe we can ask the CONSEC if the invitation was sent to them just today or the other week. Sige, go ahead. Anyway, let's sort of say, General Cunanan, please. General Cunanan. Kasi po, General Cunanan, dali po, umupo ka muna. Kasi, the PRM is telling us that they have just received today. Now, but of course, the invitation for all those 28 officers was given and was duly received by your office. Not today. 9:40 rin. Sakto, million.
Yes, sir. But the communications with the PNP Lola started as early as Friday, sir. So I think they sent it to the other offices concerned. That's why. But the initial communications were made with Colonel Cunanan as early as Friday.
Colonel Cunanan. Yung communication niya was sent to you Friday pa?
Yes, sir.
Anong nangyari?
I received it last Friday.
Anong nangyari? Ba't hindi natanggap ng DPRM just today?
Sir, initially, our office forwarded to the command group requesting for the whereabouts of these personnel. However, we learned that most of the personnel were...
No, you found out, but the regulation of that from the DPRM just today. You have just received today.
Yes, sir. I informed COMSEC last Monday that yesterday that these personnel most of them are not with DPRM.
Hindi, but it doesn't matter. What I am saying is, you should have submitted all the list much earlier to the DPRM. Di ba? Para DPRM naman sumagot kung napadala nila, natanggap ba o hindi. As of now, wala. Zero. Because he has just received, even sa case ni Colonel Espinido. Well, in fact, they're still checking kung saan naka-assign. Ano problema po kayo?
Your Honor, last Friday we made the communication to the command group requesting for the whereabouts and
who's that command group? Who's that command group? Is he present today?
None of them are present.
Oh, sino yun? Please mention the most highest officer.
Sir, accordingly, our office...
Who is that most highest command group officer? O ba't hindi mo masabi?
Sir, from our office, sir, we relay the information to our chief and then our...
Sino nga pinaka-highest na command group officer?
Sir, accordingly, the
Ba't hindi mo siya masagot?
Communication was denied by our TCDS.
Bigyan mo lang ang pangalan, Colonel Cunanan. Just,
Bigyan mo lang ang pangalan, Colonel Cunanan. Just give the name.
Chairman, the communication was denied.
Invitees doon sa command group. And who is that command group officer?
Sir, yesterday I found out na deny po ng TCDS yung aming letter. So,
Why they denied?
most of the members, sir, the resource persons are not member of the PNP anymore.
But in the case of Espiritu, it's still active.
Yes, sir, we did our best to inform Colonel Espinido. And we,
You did your best.
yes, sir.
Oh, what is that best?
Sir, we sent the communication to their PROs. And I believe, I learned that they served the letter to Espinido.
You believe? You do not receive copy from that office.
Sir, meron po kami, sir.
And? O, you submit it to this committee.
Yes, sir. Isasabit ko po niya.
Hindi, kasi ako Friday yung na-receive. Ngayon lang na-receive ng DPRM. May problema kayo.
Sir, nung pong nalaman po namin na hindi na po active yung...
Hindi nga usapin dito kung nalaman nyo kung active o hindi. Ang tinatanong dito, kung naibigay nyo ba yung invitation? By your best effort. Eh, that was Friday. Eh, nung nalaman nyo hindi na active, anong ginawa nyo?
Sir, we informed COMSEC about the status of yun nga po ng mga personnel and then
Hindi nga eh. Kasi kahit pa man, eto Colonel, sorry to say. Kasi dito, well, in fact, contempt order, detention order, subpoenas, from DISA, dinadaan sa pulis. Di ba? How much more those listed personnel na former police officials? Basta ganun na lang? Dahil wala na sa roster? Sa inyo rin dadaan yan. Di ba? From our SAA, or our Sergeant at Arms, dadaan din yan sa police o yan sa NBI to serve that invitation. Anyway, pakisubmit yung sinasabi mong receive copy. Mr. Chairman. Now, Mr. Chairman, since Colonel Jovis Benito is not around, but he's still active in service, and without any explanation, unless otherwise he will explain in the next hearing, may I move, Mr. Chairman, that we will issue a show cause order for Colonel Jovis Benito for not attending today's hearing. Yeah. Yes, Mr. Chairman, that is a motion.
Second motion. Yes, Colonel Joby Espinido. And second motion.
Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chair, may I be allowed to speak? Mr. Chair, I think there was a bit of confusion. No? Since the 28 men and officers that have been invited by this committee with regards to this issue have not been properly notified of their attendance on today's hearing, I think it is incumbent upon the PNP to inform the COMSEC that these 27 men and officers were no longer a part of the PNP. And it should be the responsibility jointly by the COMSEC and the PNP to know the whereabouts of these people because they were no longer a part of the PNP. And I think somehow there is a failure on our part, no, on the part of the COMSEC with regard to these 27 people that were not properly invited. But nevertheless, having said that, Mr. Chairman, may we reiterate the participation of the PNP and the COMSEC into finding out the whereabouts of these 27 men and officers of the PNP. So, sana po in the next hearing, kasi what we are trying to imply in here, Mr. Chairman, is the importance of the time that we are conducting our hearing. Precisely, each and every member of this committee, nagbibigay po tayo ng oras together with those resource speakers who are here, and then suddenly these people that we have invited will not be appearing on this very important hearing. That's the reason why I hope the resource speakers and the viewers who are watching us right now must understand the frustration of Congressman Paduano on not having properly notified these people. Kaya I hope that the resource speakers also will agree with us that this is a very important invitation that was being sent by this committee.
Thank you, Congressman Fernandez. Let me say something first before I would give it to the other colleagues of ours. I'd like you to know that Congress is in recess, and this is an added work for us when we have committee hearings that we are conducting during recess time, when all of us ought to be in our own district, working, because look kapag wala kami sa aming distrito, kahit ganun sipag namin dito, bakit kayo manalo next election? We have to be in our district. We are here today. Now, I was told by the COMSEC, Colonel Cunanan, that you said, the COMSEC, that a letter must be given to sino yun? The Director Hernia from the Directorate Personnel and Records Management. There should not be any letter anymore. I mean, you are the liaison of Congress. Whether it be that we produce a letter or not, it is your duty to tell these people, and it is your duty. You do not need to receive a letter from us. Who are you to ask for a letter? This is Congress. And I would like to find out from you, I'd like you to answer me. Who are you to ask for a letter before you act on it? Can you answer that, please? I mean, our liaison said that there ought to be a letter that we ought to write you. So I would like to find out, why do we have to write you? So I would like to find out, why do we have to write you a letter? You have given a list of those that we are inviting. Okay, we're going to forgive you for the lapses, but we're going to have another meeting here, and those who have been invited, whether they be a wall, I would like to find out if the Philippine National Police has done something for those people who are now in a wall, because the Philippine National Police should do something about it. Naawol sila kahit retired sila. Anong ginawa ng Philippine National Police? Wala. Dapat yan may ginawa sila. All right? Yung mga retired, why can you not connect with them? Asan sila? Retired man sila. Wala ba sa Pilipinas yan? Yung mga awol, nasaan na sila ngayon? We'd like to find out, because this is a very important meeting. We are calling for justice on people who allegedly were victims of injustice. Yun ang ating nais makita rito. At pangalawa, nais din natin na ang Philippine National Police ay hindi pagbintangan that they were guilty of injustice on this. Di ba? Yun ang nais natin. Ibig sabihin, human rights is for everybody. Whether the victims or the Philippine National Police, human rights is for everyone. Okay? Kahit ang patas natin, may feeling yan. Di ba? Hindi kumikilala ng sino bang tao yan. Hindi kumikilala. It does not even give any favor at all. Why? Because to me, human rights is for everyone. Whether they be in government or not. Congressman Carab, go ahead.
Thank you, Chairman.